What are some routines you have that help you stay consistent?
I walk 3 miles every single morning. It's the first thing I do after my kids leave for school. It started as a mental health thing after the pandemic, just
Hmm.
getting out of the house and moving. And it's turned into a mental health slash fitness thing now. I absolutely learned that I love walking. And on those walks, I do one of three things. I either take the headphones out and completely allow myself to think, because we don't give ourselves a lot of time to do that, right? I take a call from somebody on my team, like I do a coaching call, or I listen to a podcast. So those are things I do every single day for myself that allows me to start my day relaxed, but with energy.
What if the weather was bad and what would you do?
I walk in the snow.
Rain?
Yes, I walk in downpours sometimes. It's like a blizzard. I also have weight in my house. I try and do something to move my body every single day.